Before any clean begins, take a moment to prepare. Your tools and products are the foundation of the work you do, and your safety comes first. Never mix bleach, vinegar, or ammonia. These combinations create dangerous fumes. Many products contain these ingredients without making it obvious. Always read the label. Always stay cautious. Protect yourself. Wear nitrile gloves, use a mask when needed, and for harsher products, goggles and a respirator give full protection. Safety is professionalism. It is part of the Ealing Clean standard. Your cleaning bucket is your workstation. Keep it simple. Keep it organized. Microfiber cloths, sprays, sponges, gloves, and towels for drying bathrooms. A tidy bucket saves time and keeps you in control. Understand your core cleaning products. The most important is your multi-purpose mix, water and dish soap. Use it for everyday cleaning, dusting, and surfaces. Use diluted bleach for deeper jobs, toilets, showers, and tough stains. Use RCL for line scale, taps, and shower glass. It is stronger than bleach. Respect its strength. Use plain water during the window process. It prevents streaks. Use cream cleanser carefully. It contains microscopic abrasives. Use it on sinks, stone tops, and aluminium. Rinse well. Shower cleaner is your versatile all-rounder. Use it in bathrooms, kitchens, fridges, microwaves, and even light oven work. Glass cleaner evaporates quickly. It helps you achieve streak-free finishes. Choose a floor cleaner that is safe on timber. It works across most surfaces. Add a little bleach only when disinfection is needed. Your tools make you faster and more precise. Use a soft brush for sinks, a detail brush for tiles, and a large brush for textured surfaces. Use a high-quality squeegee for windows and shower glass. A good one glides smoothly and reduces streaks. Each sponge has a purpose. A gentle sponge for bathrooms, a stronger one for kitchens, a non-scratch sponge for delicate areas, and a metallic sponge only for specific tasks like sinks. Use each tool with intention. Cloth management is essential. Carry at least 10 to 20 cloths. Separate your cloths by task: bathroom cloths, kitchen cloths, heavy-duty cloths, and window cloths. And never mix cloths between clean and dirty areas. This prevents cross-contamination and protects your work. Use a vacuum, powerful enough for real cleaning. Aim for around 1000 watts. Backpack vacuums give freedom and speed. Use a professional mop system, a sturdy bucket with a wringer, a strong aluminium handle, and controlled pressure to remove stubborn marks. Good equipment doesn't just clean better, it supports you, it saves you time, and it makes your work look effortless. Professional cleaning is not just about effort, it is about intention. You choose the right tool, you choose the right product, you choose the safest method. Your professionalism is in every decision you make. Clients may not see every choice you make, but they always feel the result. Pride in your tools is pride in your work. This is the foundation of safe, effective, and confident cleaning. When you understand your products, use the right tools, and stay organized, the quality of your work becomes unmistakable. That is the Ealing Clean way. Ealing Clean. Every detail matters.